In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram story recently offshore not showing problem. Let's see how to fix it. Now, open your Play Store app and update your Instagram. Tap on search and type your Instagram. Instagram is update available. Now open your Instagram app. Tap on profile icon. Now tap on three dot menu icon top of the screen. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Tap on help. Tap on report app problem. Reboot app problem again. Tap on. Tap on include and continue. Problem here. Hello, Instagram support team. I don't have the recently option in my story section. Please help me fix this. Thank you. Now click on upload. Now screenshot upload. Click on send here. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If you like the video, subscribe and